In this video, we're taking a close look at the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6, a 5.1-channel home theater setup that promises to bring the cinema right into your living room. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this home theater system in the description below for the latest pricing details and deals if available. Now, Sony has long been known for its superior audio craftsmanship, and the BRAVIA Theater System carries that legacy forward. With a true 5.1-channel configuration, you get 3 front-firing speakers, 2 rear speakers, and a subwoofer, together delivering immersive surround sound that genuinely fills the room. What stands out is how balanced it feels. The dialogues remain crisp even during action-heavy scenes, thanks to the dedicated center-channel speaker designed specifically to keep voices clear and natural. The real highlight here is the Dolby Atmos and DTS X compatibility, which adds a sense of three-dimensional space to your movies and shows. Explosions feel like they're happening around you, rain sounds seem to fall from above, and subtle background effects suddenly come alive. Pair that with the included subwoofer, and you've got deep, thumping bass that adds emotion and weight to every soundtrack without overwhelming the mids and highs. For those who own a Sony BRAVIA TV, this sound system is practically a match made in heaven. It integrates seamlessly, allowing you to control the soundbar directly from your TV menu, and features Voice Zoom 3, which enhances dialogue clarity further. And if you're someone who loves easy control, the BRAVIA Connect app lets you tweak everything from volume to sound profiles straight from your phone, making adjustments incredibly convenient. Music lovers aren't left out either. The system supports Bluetooth streaming, letting you wirelessly play songs from your smartphone with great clarity. Plus, Sony's sound processing restores lost acoustic details, giving your music a warm, rich texture that feels natural and full-bodied. Of course, it's not without minor downsides. It's not the most compact setup if you're short on space, and for full surround immersion, careful speaker placement is key. But overall, the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 offers a cinematic experience that few in its class can match, a truly premium upgrade for movie lovers, gamers, and music enthusiasts alike.